So hello and welcome to our first lecture in Dbeaver course series by techlatest.net, and this is the basic introduction about Dbeaver lecture. So I'll explain you like what actually is Dbeaver. So Dbeaver is an open source universal database management tool that supports a wide range of database including MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Oracle, and many more. It is designed for developers, database administrator, and data analysts, offering a comprehensive set of features to manage, analyze, and manipulate data efficiency with the user-friendly interface and extensive customization option. So Dbeaver has become a popular choice for professional across different domains. Like for example, if you do multiple database support, then data import export, advanced SQL, you want advanced SQL editor, like you have to do data visualization, you have to do a ER diagram. So these are some features in which you can use Dbeaver. Okay, if you're talking about use cases for Dbeaver, so database development, data analysis, data administrations. So these are some basically the use cases of Dbeaver. Okay, and if I'm talking about what are some uh, advantages of tech latest VM. Okay, so like you can launch your VM, then you can access Dbeaver. You have to not install additional things like JDBC and other things. Tech latest.net VM have already these all things. Like if I click on database here, okay. So if I click on database here, and here you can see the new database connection, new connection from JDBC URL. Okay, so these are the things which tech latest provide. And if you like uh, like uh, running Dbeaver without VM, without virtual machine. Okay, without, for example, without techlatest.net virtual machine. So you have to install all the things and download JDBC driver and other things. But in this VM, you have get all the things like JDBC. You have to not install things manually and additionally. Okay, so these are some benefits of techlatest.net VM, and these are the user interface of basically the Dbeaver. You can open files if you click on files, so you can open files, and if you want to import export something, so you can do from here. Like if you want to edit something, so edit option are there, navigate option are there, search, then SQL editor, like open SQL script, last edited SQL script, new SQL script, open SQL console. So these are some things. If you click on panel, so these are the options are available in panel, then layout options are available here. So these are some benefits of Dbeaver VM. And if I click on database, so here you can see a lot of things. Like here, if you click on window, so these are the things are available here in Windows. If you click on help, so a lot of things are also available here. So that's Dbeaver is all in one package type of things. Basically, you have SQL, NoSQL, a database connection. Even you have to connect if you want to connect cloud database, so you can also connect it cloud database in Dbeaver. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel also. Uh, we will have a lot of amazing content coming on your way. So yeah, bye bye. We will meet in next video.